The anticipated Jamaica 50 pictorial from the JIS is now here. Persons were treated to a night filled with music, culture, and great memories at the book launch on July 18.
50 years of nationhood has seen many achievements and institutions that we can be proud of.
It is not just Jamaica to the world, it is the world to Jamaica, as captured in this publication.
It is a storehouse of archival treasures in relation to authentic Jamaican culture and our rich dynamic heritage. That collection highlighting significant moments in our history and the interaction of the government and people.
Independence with a vengeance. Independence raising Cain. Jamaica start grow beard. Hey, hey, hey. Our Puchin can stand this strain. When dog maga, he head big. And when puss hungry, he nose clean. But can you believe it, sir? Every puss and dog no know what independence mean.
Before you this evening is the product of our endeavors, the shining reflection of the iconic people and exciting moments in our country's embodiment of nationhood.
It therefore gives me the greatest of pleasure to officially launch this special publication.
Chris.